G'day folks, how you going? It's Benno, yeah, me again. I'm just testing out a couple of things today. I've got the GoPro 8 audio upgrade. I think it's an audio upgrade, or they call it something else. Yeah, I'll show you a couple of pictures of this thing and you'll see what I mean. So I'm just going to jump out of the car and see how it goes. It's a bit breezy today, so let's go see how it goes in the wind. Alright, so it's a little bit breezy. Got a bit of breeze coming from behind me. So we'll see how well this shotgun mic on this thing works. The wind's picking up a little bit. Might be getting a bit of noise now. Okay. I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but I do have something else to test, and this is it. There we go. Got a new drone. DJI Mini. So let's see how well this performs, even in this wind. Let's take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it
Alright,
on
so
the map.
it's taken off quite well. I won't get in too close to it. Oh, struggling a little bit in this wind, but it's sitting pretty well, nice and straight. Let's turn the camera on. So it is jumping around. I'm not getting any wind warnings yet. So over to the drone, and let's see what we can get. Okay, so this is the Media Mod. It's got a shotgun mic on the front. It's got another microphone on the back. You can switch between front and back microphones, or you can have them both running. What else can I tell you about this thing? It does have charging port. Where is it? That's your USB-C. You've got a mini, whatever it is, out to your TV. If we really see that very well, we can. But what I like is the fact that I can just plug a 3.5mm lav mic, or any other microphone that runs off a 3.5mm thing, without having to use, where is it? I can't even see it now. There we go. The stupid dongle thing, wiry thing that we've got on this GoPro 7. So that's it, pretty basic. It seems to work quite well. In the wind that I shot today, it wasn't too bad. Standard mics would have been a damn side more affected by the wind, and if for what it is, I'm reasonably happy. For any stronger wind, I'd just plug a lav mic in with a dead cat on it, and there we go. That's it.